Did you know that there is a new AI tool in the neighborhood that can help you generate videos in just a click of a button? It's true. And now you too can achieve similar results in just a matter of minutes, without ever having to buy an expensive camera or learn any script writing or video editing skills. And guess what? Today, we're going to show you how, with the help of yours truly, ChatGPT. So, you want to get started, huh? Great. Step 1 is to pick an idea for your video. And the best way to get started is to use our beloved ChatGPT. You can get daily ideas for your YouTube channel, do keyword research for different topics, and use their AI for help in multiple aspects of video creation. To find a relevant idea for your YouTube channel, use the prompt box to straight up ask the AI for video ideas or topic suggestions for a channel in your niche. Now you could just stop here and start by creating a video on a topic of your liking from the list that you have. But to really take this to the next level, you want to check the credibility of your idea using the keyword research tool that vidIQ has. Just head over to their website and make sure that the overall score of your keyword is more than 50. As you can see here, our topic has not gotten a very high score. So, we can use the additional options within the keyword research tool to really streamline our topic selection. Use the Matching Terms tab to look for other such terms that use your keyword but have a better chance of ranking. Then use the Related Terms tab to look for broader topics that are related to your industry or niche and can perform well on your channel. After searching, I found that this particular keyword has a high score. So, I'm going to go ahead with this as our topic for the video. Now, once you finalize your idea, the next step is to get your write-up or article for the video. And thankfully, with ChatGPT, that's super easy to do. If you haven't already, sign up to ChatGPT with an existing Google or Microsoft account and verify your phone number with an OTP to get started. Once you are logged in, you can see a prompt box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will give the AI prompts for the kind of article you want. As with any AI tool, how you write your prompts will massively drive the success of your video. For this topic, we want the article to be in a list format and have enough interesting tidbits so that it makes for an engaging video. So we'll write the prompt like this. Hey ChatGPT, can you please help me create a list-based article on top 10 reasons why everybody should consume whey protein? Make sure to include the benefits of protein and the safety aspect, and keep the tone friendly and confident. Oh, and can you also make it around 5,000 words long? A detailed prompt like this ensures that you get as close to the desired results as possible. When writing your own prompts for an article or blog, make sure to include the format of the article that you want, the topic you want it to cover, the tone of voice you want the article to be in, any specific details you want to include, and the word count for the article. Now, once your article is ready, it's time to create your video. For this, head over to InVideo and sign in on their platform. Now you'll find a text-to-video option listed here that will automatically generate a video for you. Clicking on this will open up a library of pre-made templates to choose from. Scroll through to find a template that suits the video you want to make. You don't need to worry about the color palettes or small details, as you'll be able to easily change this later. After choosing the template, you need to select the aspect ratio of the video. I'll select landscape as I want to upload this video on YouTube. Now here you'll be able to see a script box on the left where you need to paste the script that you just generated with ChatGPT. Now all you need to do is to click on this button right here that says Create Scenes. And voila! InVideo has made an authentic, beautiful video for you in seconds. Now you can even replace the automatically selected media and change the transitions and other effects. Playing around with the different tools on their platform, you will get your desired video in no time at all. Once your video is complete, it's time to add a voiceover to the video you just made. You will notice a voiceover button at the very bottom of their editor. I want you to click on it and select Automated Text-to-Speech option to generate an ultra-realistic voiceover for your video. You need to select the language and the voice for generating this. Whoa! It's already ready! Let's give this a listen, huh? That sounds fantastic. Now, once you have locked in all your elements, it's time to export your video. Just click on the blue export button on the top right. Well, we just made a video by just using an AI. I'm completely blown away by this. Like and subscribe to find out how you can generate your own custom songs using an AI. This was Arthur. See you in the next one.